All right, guys. Back again, making some progress today. We're gonna put the flywheel and the clutch on, and then start aligning this up with the transmission. So here's the flywheel here. We got our clutch. We got our pressure plate. Okay, and the last step was mounting the motor to the transmission. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened to that video. I lost it. But I'm gonna walk you through it. It's a pretty simple process. Essentially, what I did was I put the motor on a cherry picker engine hoist with the leveling attachment to it. As you can see here, so you can kind of adjust to make sure it's 100% level. And then I propped up the transmission on some blocks of wood. And then the trick here is just to make sure the spline goes into to the clutch, um, in a 100% even level way. If there's any, if it's a little bit not level, whatever, it's just not going to work. So there's a little bit of adjustment there. Then you turn the transmission a little bit to kind of get the alignment. And it was kind of cool because once that caught, you could see the flywheel spinning inside, which is really nice. And then you just kind of shove it in as much as you can. And then from there, you just get your transmission adapter bolts and nut to do the rest of the work to bring those together. So that's completed. And then after that, I'm gonna change the transmission fluid. While the transmission's out, you may as well do that now. And then we're gonna put this back into the car. So thank you so much.